Hey, I'm Steve Krenz. I want to invite you to a very special Guitar Gathering Academy. Over the next few weeks, I'll be showing you how to play some of the world's most loved hymns. And we're going to be doing a deep dive focusing on one classic hymn a week. You'll learn the stories behind the music, how to play the melody, the chords, even advanced chord substitution if you want to accompany others. Plus, I'm going to be giving you some basic and advanced solo guitar arrangements for every song. So here's how it works. Each week for 4 weeks, you'll receive a detailed video lesson. It's going to be emailed to you showing you step by step how to play the song, the chords, and the solo arrangements. You'll also receive a few play-along tracks to practice with. Everything is going to be written out in a PDF that comes along with the lesson, which details everything in music notation, tab, chord diagrams, even fingering notations. Then you begin working on the song for the week. At the end of the week, we'll get together for a live Zoom session to answer any questions that you may have. There's also a private Facebook group to meet with guitarists from all over the world that are going through these exact same songs. This coming session will feature 4 incredible hymns: Great is Thy Faithfulness, Holy, 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 Abide with Me, and In the Garden. It's going to be an amazing time, and there's something for players of all levels. We're going to finish up just before Easter, and you will have learned 4 complete songs, solo guitar arrangements, the melody, the chords, and all. Come join us for this amazing learning journey through some of the world's most beloved hymns. It's going to be a new challenge every week, learning new music, new skills, and adding to your own repertoire of music. I hope you'll join us.